start of the final round, and quietly confident. Just got to keep it together, baby steps, and just get faster and faster. That's the game plan anyway.
Hold back for the last one. Here we go.
Scribante.
The last car is on track here, Arnie. It is coming down to the wire. Scribante has put in numerous times that have been under the 40-second bracket. He needs one now.
Well, he does need one, and he needs a good one. It's tough out there. Remember, he hasn't got any lights, and it's dark already. So Scribante chasing hard. Look at him through the S's. Is he going to keep his shape? He's throwing it hard. It looks like a really good, clean run.
He's gone across the line. Have we got a new king of the hill here in the modified class? Is it going to be going to Franco Scribante? It is!
Yes!
39.342. He's taken the victory.